Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to draw hairs with graphite pencils. So we are going to use these ivory sheets for drawing hairs. Let's get started. For the reference, I am taking this image. I am going to use these art line pencils and a brush and this kneadable eraser. Firstly, I am going to draw outline with this mechanical pencil, and I have already drawn this using freehand method. Let's start shading it. For shading, I am going to use this 2B outline pencil, and we are going to shade the hairs lightly. Looking at the reference, shade it. You have to observe the direction of the hairs and shade them accordingly. Rough shading is done. Now let's shade it properly. The base layer is done. Now take a brush and blend it out. Now you have to take a 4B pencil and sharp the tip of the pencil neatly. Observing at the reference, you have to look the hair strokes, in which direction the hairs are going. So in this image, the hair strokes are upward facing. So you have to draw these kind of hair. Looking at the reference, draw the hair stroke in the upper direction. In this image or reference, the hairs are facing upward. So you have to draw very lightly with 4B pencil these hair strokes. Looking at the reference, draw the hair directions. In this part, the hairs are small. The hair strokes are done. Now blend it with a brush. In this reference, the darker area is this, and here upside and little bit here. So we are going to do the darker areas with this pencil. Blend it with the brush. Now take 4B pencil and make dark strokes here looking at the reference. Let's do the same in this area. Here you have to be careful because the hairs are shorter here. It with a brush. Now I am taking HB pencil and shade the darker areas in the reference. Hairs require a lot of patience, so you will have to take time and draw each and every hair. Now take the brush and blend it. Now we have to take 10B pencil and just go over the darker areas. Again take brush and blend it. Let's make highlight in this sketch. This Mono Zero eraser. But if you don't have this, then don't worry. I have an alternative of this. You can have a simple eraser and this knife and cut a small and thin piece carefully. So we have cut a small and thin piece. Let's make highlights observing the reference. See how beautiful highlights we have got. You can also use this kneadable eraser. it's more easy to create highlights with kneadable eraser. I'll show you how I create highlights with this Mono Zero eraser. Now let's create highlight over this area. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel. So yes, we have completed the hairs. For beginners, I suggest you to make the reference in black and white so that you may get what are the darker areas and the highlights. So in black and white, it's more easy to observe the highlights and the darker areas. I am not making this 3 strokes here because I don't like it. And yeah, we have completed the hairs. If you try this out, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down what topic should I choose for the next video. Thank you.